I'm going to show you how to set up the golf course irrigation system to run from ET, and then we're going to create a dry run graph that shows the tees being watered through the ET process. So first you're going to click on station detail, and then you're going to click on the precip data. So this is what it'll look like when we have input our precipitation data. So we're going to click on the system data tables, drop down and go to precip data table. Then we're going to select our name, which we're going to do the fairways, and the pattern that the sprinklers are on in your golf course. So ours are in a triangle formation, and then you're going to want to do your head spacing. So whatever nozzles you have in and how far they're shooting, that's going to be your head spacing. So ours is 97 feet. And then our row spacing is our head spacing times 0.866, which would give us 84. And then we're going to select our sprinkler head that we have in the ground. So our Eagle 900s at 80 psi with an orange nozzle gives us 37.1 gallons per minute. And then we're going to select the arc that the sprinkler is shooting. So ours are in 360-degree arcs. And then that will give us our precipitation in inches per hour. So we have 0.51. So we'll hit OK. And then we will go to our default data settings. Click on the rotor information, go to our fairways, and click on the drop down. And as you can see, our fairways came up, hit enter, and the 0.51 shows up. Then we have to import that data to all the areas, all the sub areas, and all the data. Hit OK and close, and as you can see, all the fairways were filled with the 0.51 precipitation rate. So now we can go back, and we're going to go to our program detail. We are going to do this for our tees, so we are going to ensure that our tees are turned on and our ET is not selected, so that we can see how long our program will run without the ET. So we'll hit play, and once they have ran, because we didn't change anything for our first dry run, they ran for 10 minutes, which is what our 100% is. So now we will go back to the program detail, and we will select that ET to make the system run off of the ET that we input by using that precipitation data. So now it will take that 0.51 into consideration when running the heads. So we will go to dry run, hit play, and we should see an increase in the sprinkler heads running. So go to our dry log, and as you can see, we did. Each head ran for 16 minutes, which means it ran off the ET, so it took that 0.51 into consideration and ran the heads longer. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this helped.